Okay, let's look at multiplying variables today. Multiplying variables. We've treated addition and subtraction of variables. Let's look at multiplication of variables. Same variables. When the variables are the same. Example, A times A. A times A. You will notice that here we have two letter A's, A and A. So we have 2. Unlike addition where we say our answer is 2A, our answer will not be 2A here because here is multiplication. So our answer will be A raised to the power of what you have. There are 2 A's here, so it will be raised to power 2. A times A times A. There are 3 A's here, so my answer will be A raised to the power of 3. Please, you don't write power in this form. This is not power. This is not power, so you're wrong if you do that. This is how you express your power form. Y times Y times Y times Y. There are 4 Y's here, so our answer will be Y raised to power 4. X times X times X times X times X. There are 5 X's here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So our answer will be X raised to power 5. Now, what if the numbers are in this form? 2A times 3A. These numbers attached to the letter by times are called coefficients. These numbers attached to the letters A are called coefficients. You remember that 2A means 2 times A. 3A means 3 times A. So the number attached to a letter by times is called coefficient. So if you're given a problem of this sort, you should multiply the coefficient first. 2 times 3. That will give us 6. Then you now multiply the letters. A times A. That will give us A raised to power 2 as we have it here. Other examples, you have 5y times 3y times 2y. You notice we have 3 coefficients here, 5, 3, and 2. Please note this, when you see a single letter standing without a number written attached to it, that letter has 1 as the coefficient. So if you have only y standing, and I ask you, what is the coefficient of y? You tell me 1, because there's 1 here. As you can see, it's only 1 y we have there. But here we have 5 y's, 3 y's, and 2 y's. But here we have only 1 y. So the 1 is the coefficient of a single number standing. T has a coefficient of 1 because we have just 1 t standing. So if you see a number standing alone without bigger numbers attached to them, they have coefficient of 1. So in this case, we have 5y times 3y times 2y. So we have to multiply the coefficient first before we multiply the letters. So 5 times 3 is 15. 15 times 2 is 30. Then y times y times y is y raised to power 3. So our answer is 30y raised to power 3. So whenever you're multiplying numbers or variables that are the same, always raise the answer that you have, which is the same variable, to the number of appearance that you have in that problem. Here we have 2a, so our answer is a to power 2. Here we have 3a's in that manner. Here we have 5y times 3y times 2y, and that was our final result, 30y raised to power 3. So we're going to solve more problems in our next other class. Thank you.